Hello guys, good night. So we have Play by Sephora this month. It's for the month of August 2018. And yes, let's get to opening it. It's only $10 a box and it's every month. So if you want to subscribe, Play by Sephora is the box. So many people don't like it. I mean, I don't dislike it, but it's not like I'm like wow about it. I'm like, some days I like it more than others, but I guess that's all the boxes that I have. Some days you'll get like disappointed in them, so that happens. And the only thing I can never open this box. It's like always a problem. Okay, so first thing as you open the box, you see this little thing, and it gives you 50 bonus points if you go and shop something from Sephora. But I never do. If you ever need one, you can have mine, the 50 points. And this is all the products that come inside. And yes, it's like a little spoiler. And also it tells you like a pop quiz. And let's see. Yeah. And it tells you the point that you would earn. So let's see. The baggie looks like this. I always have like a problem with them because I don't know what to do with them. I have no idea. So yeah, back to beauty school. Many people love them, and I had a subscriber that wanted them, and I said, yes, send me your address. I will ship them out to you. I don't care. But never heard from her again. If you are out there, just send me a private message with any PO box or anything so I can send it. So the things that we have here, and I put everything on the desk, let it be. Okay, so the first thing is Anastasia Beverly Hills, a clear brow gel. So it looks like this. It looks really nice and cool, as you can see. And let's read a little bit about it. So the first thing it says, Overarch-Ever. Anastasia Beverly Hills is a lightweight gel that defines brows and holds them in place all day. So that's not bad, and I like that it's clear. So it's clear, you don't see anything, but it smells funny though. It smells like acetone, like nail polish removal. Okay. The next thing we have is Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream right here. It's just a little sample of the color. Let's see. I always get confused because the box is red and I always think the sample is gonna be red, but sometimes it's not. Ooh, so it's like a mauve color. This one says Artist Rouge Lipstick in C211, and the color doesn't have an actual name for it. It says a highly pigmented lipstick in a soft rosewood shade. So it's rosewood shade with a smooth stain finish. Nice. Next thing, let's see. We have Major in Multitasking Living Proof, and I actually got this one in like a full size in another box. I don't know which one was it, but I remember the name of it. So it's a versatile styling cream that can be used to define or smooth wet or dry hair. This multi-tanner style is great for all hair types and can be used on wet or dry, whether you're looking for a curl definition, tooth texture, or tame flyaways. That's nice, or a voluminous blowout. This overachiever can come. So this is nice, and for dry hair, which that was my problem sometimes, small amount and smooth with hands and sleek look. So let's try it on my hair. Actually, I have it back. I did not put any product. It smells good. So I guess put it in your hand. It smells really nice. And then, not that I'm gonna see any difference, but it looks like a gel. It smells so good. No, it smells like a lemon-y something. Okay, the next thing we have is this foil packet that I hate. Oh my gosh, shampoo and conditioner from Y. This is this month's bonus, and I prefer a fragrance over this any day. So this is a shampoo and conditioner bonus duo that replenishes and nurtures for healthy looking hair. So the key benefits: invisible repairs damage, protects color, uses smart technology complex. So that's that. The next thing is Origins. I actually unboxed something else that had Origins, a mask too. This is retexturizing mask with rose clay. Looks like this. It's a very nice amount. It actually comes 1 fluid ounce. And this one says, a purified mask that deeply cleans and refines pores for silky smooth skin. This 2-in-1 mask uses Mediterranean rose clay, Canadian whip herb, and exfoliating jojoba beads to clean skin and visible reduce the look of pores for a radiant, youthful complexion. So this is nice, and then you leave it for 10 minutes. And then use your wet fingertips to massage and exfoliate, rinse well, and follow with the serum or moisturizer. That's nice. Let me see if it's open so I can smell. It smells like clay. All the clay mask smells to me the same. Let me see. And the last thing we have is a Hula Benefit. So this one is, ooh, it looks so cute. So it's the Hula Benefits. It looks like this. Very cute. I like the container. Aww, look, it's a baby hula. And I've been using another bronzer. I don't remember what bronzer it was, but I really enjoy that bronzer. I actually have it on right now. It's just a mild bronzing. Like, I use it on the perimeter of my face and makes you look really nice, like tannish. And yeah, I'm gonna give this one a try. Hula Benefits. This one is a matte bronzer in natural hue that blends easily for sun-kissed look, and I like that. Play up with just back from the summer break and shimmer-free bronzer that provides definition and bronzy radiance. So as soon as I finish the other one, I'm gonna start with this one. So I will let you know how that goes. And hopefully you guys like this video. This video has come to an end, and I will see you back in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and give it a thumbs up if you like this content, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.